AnsTOP lightweight leather mini pouch small crossbody bag cell phone purse wallet shoulder bags for women, fit with iPhone 11X, 8 Plus, black. Our stylish cell phone bag holds the perfect size for all iPhone models. AnsTOP crossbody cell phone purse is designed with PU leather, hollowed-out fashion style, soft, lightweight, durable and comfortable to wear. Purse's inside is in line with fuzzy material to avoid friction to the phone and causing any damage. Therefore, our phone purse would be a quite nice gift for girlfriends or your female friends to show your fashion taste or build a better friendship with female friends. Cell phone crossbody bag have two inside open pocket design, means you can storage credit cards, keys, lipsticks, headphones, cash and other small items in the front pocket. What's more, you can put the cell phone in the back pocket to prevent from dropping when outdoor activity, camping, shopping etc., and use phone directly on bag through clear plastic sides. Our small crossbody phone bag comes with two complementary straps for selection, one short strap and one long strap, short 1, 11, long 1, 28-51. If you want, the crossbody bag could be a handheld bag, a handbag or a shoulder bag. Suitable for many occasions: night out, traveling, shopping, working, or dating, tourism, or daily life use as well. It is also a great idea as a special gifts present for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Easter, Halloween, Thanksgiving, birthday, New Year, and Christmas. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.